What is good, YouTube? I'm back with another video. Hope y'all enjoyed the last video. Thank y'all so much. Today I have a re-upload. It don't got an intro, so I hope y'all enjoyed this POV. Like, comment, subscribe, and thank y'all, man, so much. It's another Sunday, so hope y'all enjoy this. Hey, Granny sliding. Jump out with that button.
Hell no, they shoot from back.
Oh! They shoot at y'all.
Oh, that's him. Hey, somebody give me that shit. I'm gonna go watch out somebody. You got the extra.
These niggas are. These niggas. Ooh. These niggas. Jed, put them hoes around. Nigga look good. Nigga look like he finna cause some havoc. Oh shit. Oh shit. These niggas having real life war in this bitch. Bro, don't shoot me, bro. Hey, these niggas are funny, bro. I swear. Fuck, bro, don't shoot me, bro. Hey, what's your name, bitch? What's your name, bitch?
Mr. Walker down turn to just 23.
What's your real name? Oh shit! Hey, who is that? Hey, who is that? Hey, whoever that nigga is, he on it. On it.
Hey man, hey look, right here the coat, right here the coat. Hey, come on, man, don't leave me.
You finna spin? Oh shit. What's up, y'all chilling? Yeah. Oh shit, that nigga instantly shot. Oh shit, I'm gonna throw up.
On the drive-by, bro.
Yo, you niggas.
Man, we gotta spin the block, bro. Yes.
Get right out of that. No.
Hold on. Hey, just start shooting that nigga. He's gonna come out the other side.
Get his ass. Get his ass. Get his ass.
Right, he's gonna start that bitch trying to take off. He's gonna fall off there. Them hoes be
RT.
bro. Imagine bees.
That bitch shot me dead in my face, bro.
Every time I do that, I put that bitch in the seat. Stop trying to look at his ass, bro. You playing.
Media team, bro. Media team, bro. I don't want no smoke.
Hey, fuck you.
Oh.
They know. Come on, get out.
Yeah, I ain't got nowhere to go now. Look, now he trying to wave white flag. Now he trying to wave white flag. Look at him.
I ain't trying to hear that.
Nigga.
Shoot Royal, but shoot him on the bike. Oh, Royal made a ball on the bike. You got that on camera, boy. You up now.
They done got out the car down on you.
But somebody. Y'all forgot to do those. Y'all forgot to do those. Y'all forgot to do those. Y'all forgot. Why you stop, lame ass nigga? This little ass battery.
Nah.
Let's light him up. Let's light him up. Hell no.
Hell no, don't light him up.
Hey, shoot that motherfucker. Usher said, hey, now tell him what Officer Usher said. He said, oh, yeah. You know what we talking about, that's why he laughed, see?
Yeah, that's why class me.
For real?
You know Usher then, huh?
Matter of fact,
get out the car. Get out the car.
Stop. This is the same nigga that just gave me a ticket 3 months ago, bro. For excessive spinning my tires. You remember? Look, watch out. Watch out. Let me see. You remember pulling this car with the venom on the side? And I had a Carnage. Venom. You know, Venom off Marvel, Spider-Man. Bro, I was coming down, I forgot, right in the middle, and I was like, I just hit the gas. And you pulled me over and gave me a ticket for excessive spinning my tires. Yeah,
Sounds about right.
And I kept screaming to the people like, hey, let me go, bro, let me go.
So that means you should
Bro,
get out
that's
the
crazy.
car
I'll be
and come to war.
Let's get him.
Let's get him.
So that means you should get out the car and come to war.
That's the same nigga that just pulled me out, I swear to God, on my mama. That's crazy.
Show us how it's going. Y'all ain't gotta leave. What's up? Hey, that nigga just up that hole.
I ain't up that hole, bro. Y'all know about you.
Hey, what carry we going? I was leaving from on Scat. I mean on Color. I'm coming down OSG. You ain't got no aim. Oh, go get him.
He done got, look, they got somebody over there already.
No, they over there. In the corner over there. They want to get him. They're way behind you.
They got. My bad, bro. My bad, bro. Hey, bro. Yo.
God damn.
So you shoot niggas in the face, bro?
Oh, me?
Yeah.
I ain't shot nobody in the face. Shot me right now.
Get his ass. Get their ass. Get their ass. All of them. All of them. Get all of them. Oh, shit.
That shit is coming.
You gotta dodge them hoes like really.
Can't see where you shoot.
And then whenever you see them hoes coming to your face, that's the worst. I ain't gonna lie.
Bro, look. Come back and do it again. Like, you know, you here. Like that for real, but he don't give a fuck. The 25 tie shot fuck with him, so they hooked the nigga up.
What's up, fake ass? Hey, say it one time.
Hey, what?
Who the fuck is the pop? I cooked that, hold on. Do it, bro.
He gonna do it, right?
You're not finna do
It
it.
ain't gonna work though.
He always try to do that shit.
He gonna do it, but it ain't gonna work.
He always try to do that shit. Nigga weird.
Go back up.
Yeah, that's him. That's him right there. Nigga, look at that. Burn that out.
You ain't trying to run that hoe. You ain't trying to run that hoe.
They finna teach her how to do a burnout. She gon' rig. Let me see some. 12 o'clock. You might do a wheelie. Do some shit. Alright, Granny, get up out of here. That whole candy too, I like that. I ain't gonna lie.
Oh, bro, I hop out there with you. I got no time.
I need to see some. The camera is on, baby. No, don't do it, Jack.
That whole cam. That whole nice. Pablo.
Go, nigga. Don't do that.
Hey,
One more time. One more time.
No, nigga.
I ain't get that on camera. He done already tapped
Gotta
that.
bring it out a little more.
Hey, he tapped it a little bit. He good though. Why you do all that?
Nigga chucking pieces of shit at me, nigga.
That nigga parked right there, so he wasn't bullshit. He really wanted. Hey, don't do nothing stupid. The lawman right there.
He's gonna be a threat.
That nigga got paper plates too. Everybody got.
Matt. I tell you.
He ain't gonna catch him in time.
Yeah, the hell no, it's too late now. Your own merch, nigga.
That's what I'm saying. That nigga, I ain't gonna. Ooh, y'all got them bitches lined up, huh?